Good day, students. Okay, so another part for my SPM students, bio students, science students as well. Okay, so this is the brain, guys, an introduction, fast introduction of the brain structure. Brain, first of all, you must know, is divided into the right hemisphere, left hemisphere, right hemisphere, left hemisphere. Brain has got a lot of folded structure. Why is it folded? Whenever you see questions, why is it folded? Is to increase surface area. So make sure there is more surface area, so you can store more neurons. If you can store more neurons or more nerves there, that means you can have more information. You can have more information in it. Okay, so very fast intro. The first part here, guys, the largest part here, this one here, like one topi here, this is the cerebrum. This is the cerebrum. Cerebrum does what? Cerebrum does voluntary action. What is voluntary? Anything that you think and you do, you process consciously and you do, that is voluntary. So the largest part. And there's two hemispheres, guys, right and left hemisphere. The right side and the left side work in opposites. We'll go to that more detail later. So then this is the cerebrum. Then there is this cauliflower-like structure at the back. Okay, at the back here. Let me put this back first. Okay, so this is the cerebrum. Then here, at the back here, at the back here, at the back here, there is this structure called the cerebellum. So cerebellum also there is left and right side, two hemispheres. So this is the cerebellum. I've just drawn it like this, cerebellum here, simple as this, cerebellum. So this is for balance and posture. Anything to do with balance, posture, is done by this part of the brain known as the cerebellum, where there's two sides. The left side of your cerebellum controls the right side of your body. The right side of your cerebrum controls the left side of the body, vice versa. So they crisscross there. So if, let's say, there's a stroke on the right side of your cerebellum for that individual there, they'll get paralysis, can get paralyzed depending on where the stroke is there. So they can get paralyzed on the, if there's right side, if there's a stroke, left side get paralysis. If the left side there's a stroke on the cerebellum, then there is paralysis on the right side there. Okay, so this is the cerebellum. Then there is this structure known as the medulla oblongata. What is the medulla oblongata? The structure that is inside here. Very important structure. It is involuntary action. What are examples of involuntary action? Example, respiration. So respiration, you breathe in, breathe out. You don't think about, I must breathe in, I must breathe out, I must breathe in, I must breathe out. Alamak, I forgot to breathe in, like that. So it consistently must happen. All the time must happen. So the part of the brain that does it is the medulla oblongata. Okay, so that is the medulla oblongata. Simple, guys. So far, cerebrum, the largest part, cerebellum, the two cauliflowers at the end, then medulla oblongata inside here. Okay, this is the medulla oblongata. Alright, then next, the hypothalamus is a part of the brain. More inwards, I must go in a little bit more inside here. So this is the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus does what you call as homeostasis. What is homeostasis? Regulation, internal environment. Your pH regulation, your glucose regulation, your water regulation, all that is controlled by the hypothalamus. Then there is this master gland known as the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland secretes hormones that controls many other endocrine glands like the testes, the ovary, the thyroid glands, the adrenal gland. All that is controlled by this master here, the pituitary gland. Okay, so it's a very brief introduction. I'll go to it more details in the videos to come there. The smaller parts, which our past explanation more on the cerebrum, cerebellum, and the medulla oblongata, and all the other parts there. But this is just to give you an introduction. The largest part, cerebrum. Cerebellum is the cauliflower-like structure at the back. Medulla oblongata is the structure in front here. That's all, guys.